Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to insert and remove the SD card in SONY ZV-E10 II. To insert the SD card, you're gonna have to rotate your camera, check the left edge of the camera. Here you'll find the SD card tray that has to be unlocked first. Then you're gonna have to insert your SD card with the microSD inside this way. Push it inside until it slightly clicks. This will mean that your SD card is seated. Now you can close the tray and lock it. If you want to remove the SD card, just unlock this tray and push the SD card inside. It will jump right out and you'll be able to remove it safely. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.